Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by plugging in the charger and powering on the Lenovo Chromebook. Press the power button until the screen lights. Once the welcome screen appears, connect to Wi-Fi and sign in with your Google account so settings and apps sync automatically. Make sure to accept updates and set a simple lock screen. Once done, adjust display brightness and touchpad sensitivity in settings to match your workflow. This saves time and prevents distractions later. Next, open Settings and run a system update so you have the latest security and performance fixes. This avoids surprises. Then install essential apps. Use the Play Store for Android apps and the Chrome Web Store for extensions. Configure Google Drive for automatic file sync and enable offline access on folders you need. Make sure app permissions are reasonable and add a recovery method like a phone number to your account, because that makes recovering access. To finish, personalize your Chromebook. Set a PIN, enable Smart Lock with your phone if you want quick access, and tune privacy and power settings for battery life. Once configured, test camera, microphone, and printing to confirm everything works. Make sure backups are running. If problems appear, slow performance, Wi-Fi drops, or app crashes, restart first. If issues persist, use a power wash reset after backing up files. That clean reset resolves most stubborn system problems and restores reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.